Hello, this is the Web Guru, and today I'm going to show you how you can apply both a speed change and the warp stabilizer to a clip. So here in the timeline, I have a lion clip. It's pretty shaky, and the first thing I want to do is slow the clip down a little bit. So I'm going to right click. You can also control click to get the menu, and I'm going to go to speed duration, and I'm going to slow this down. I'm just going to bring it down to about 75%. You'll see that the clip gets longer, and now the lion is moving a little bit more slowly. Now the next thing that I want to do is apply the warp stabilizer to it. So for that, I go to the effects panel. I'm just going to type in warp into the search box. That brings up the warp stabilizer. I'm going to drag it over to the clip, but now I get this error message. I can't apply both speed and the warp stabilizer. There's an easy way to get around this. All you have to do is right click or control click the clip again in the timeline. Go to Nest. I recommend giving this a meaningful name, so I'm just going to call this Lion Nested. This is going to show up in your project panel as a sequence. And here in the timeline, it's become green. And that's because it's actually a nested sequence, though it will behave like a clip. And if you want to know more about that, you can look up nested sequences. And now, after doing that, I can go to the warp stabilizer, drag it over to the clip, and now it actually works. And if I want to see the progress, I go to Effect Controls, and now I can see how the computer is going through. Sometimes it takes a little while to process, and it's stabilized my clip. So now I have both. I was able to slow the lion down and stabilize it. And all I had to do was nest the clip, and then it'll work. So to summarize, first of all, apply the speed change to your clip, then nest it. Then you'll be able to apply the warp stabilizer to it. So I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for joining me today.